All right, this is the fridge. I'm gonna show you just how to change the temperature. We do have power here. You can click power on or off. And then what you do is, this is your edit. And this will say, I want 31 degrees or whatever. This side right here, you can kind of see, I don't know if the video you can see it, but this is this side, and this is the big side, and this is, actually this is the big side, this is the freezer. So the way we do with the freezer, we like to run it both with just as a normal temp fridge, but if you do want freezer, you can bring that one down, and you can see from here, if I want frozen food there on that freezer side, this whole thing comes out like that and used as a freezer. So that's how the fridge works. Now this whole fridge does unattach. You can actually take this whole thing out if you wanted to remove it and then bring it back in. It plugs in just with a 12 volt here. Right into the side here, there's a plug in, and now we're back on. So that's how the fridge works. Yep, if you have questions, make sure to let me know.